The Porsche 356 is a sports car that was first produced by Austrian company Porsche Konstruktionen GmbH 1948 to 1949, and then by German company Dr. Ing, HCF Porsche GmbH 1950-1965. It was Porsche's first production automobile. Earlier cars designed by the Austrian company include Cisitalia Grand Prix race car, the Volkswagen Beetle, and Auto Union Grand Prix cars. The 356 is a lightweight and nimble handling, rear-engine, rear-wheel drive, two-door available both in hardtop coupe and open configurations. Engineering innovations continued during the years of manufacture, contributing to its motorsport success and popularity. Production started in 1948 at Gmünd, Austria, where Porsche built approximately 50 cars. In 1950, the factory relocated to Zuffenhausen, Germany, and general production of the 356 continued until April 1965, well after the replacement model 911 made its September 1964 debut. Of the 76,000 originally produced, approximately half survive. The original price in 1948 for the 356 coupe was US $3,050, equivalent to $45,700 in 2022, official general USD inflation. The 356 Cabriolet cost US